In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export as MP3 in DaVinci Resolve. If you need to save your audio as an MP3 file in DaVinci Resolve, the good news is that the process is very quick and simple once you know where to look. This is especially useful if you've edited a podcast, a voice recording, music, or any project where you only need the audio and not the full video file. To begin, open your project in DaVinci Resolve and make sure the timeline you want to export is selected. Once you're ready, go to the Deliver section, which you'll find at the bottom of the interface. This is the area where DaVinci Resolve handles exporting, rendering, and final output settings. After you enter the Deliver page, look for the Audio tab in the Export settings. This is where you can control the format and settings for your audio output. Click on the Audio tab to reveal the available options. From here, find the codec setting. The codec determines the type of audio file that will be created during export. Click the drop-down menu next to codec and then choose MP3 from the list. Once MP3 is selected, your audio will be set to export in that format. And that's it. That's the key step that allows you to export your file as an MP3 in DaVinci Resolve. As a quick tip, before you start the final render, it's always a good idea to double-check that your export settings are focused on audio the way you want. If your project contains video, remember that the main change you're making here is in the audio format, so reviewing the settings briefly can help avoid exporting the wrong type of file. This is a great option when you want a smaller file size and a format that's easy to share, upload, or play on most devices. MP3 is widely supported, which makes it one of the most convenient choices for audio-only exports. So again, all you need to do is go to the Deliver section at the bottom, open the Audio tab, find the codec setting, click the drop-down menu, and select MP3. Once that's set, you're ready to move forward with your export. That's how to export as MP3 in DaVinci Resolve.